So the main issue when it comes to male mental health is a lack of support networks. Usually men will have more issues when it comes to finding support for their mental health issues, say depression, anxiety, or any others, because normally within the household their family and friends would be less inclined to help, simply because of the traditional stigma of men have to be tough, men have to not show any emotion, they don't have these issues, but they clearly do. So offering free therapy sessions and counselling to any man or woman that needs it should be a priority set by the city council, because that could really not just improve lives but save lives. The traditional role of men having to be strong and not showing any emotions or any of these issues does play a role. However, also in the current times we live in, because of the prevalence of social media, men and women will usually compare themselves to the lives of others. And when you combine this new era with the traditional issue of patriarchal rules, when it comes together, it can be very problematic for men in particular, because girls will be more likely to talk to their group of friends or be listened to by their family, but for men, it becomes a whole lot harder. Well, the first place to start, and I know this is more of a long-term solution than a short-term solution, is educating children on mental health as a whole and explaining these issues, how boys might find it harder than girls to find support, and it shouldn't be that way, and that they should be able to talk to their teachers and their parents. So if you start with children, they should hopefully grow up to be more emotionally intelligent generations. However, with the current generations that we have, there are a couple of charities, for example, Calm seems to be very, very good, and I quite support them. I've donated to them a couple of times, and awareness is one of the main points that they have, and by making people aware of this issue, and days like International Men's Day as well, people will be inclined maybe to change their minds, or maybe to research more into it and try to understand it. But firstly, being able to make people aware of the issue would be a start, and then of course maybe city council offering council sessions, or universities or even schools for a young age offering counsel to anybody of any age and any gender would be absolutely fantastic.